Hi there, students. Balm. B-A-L-M. Notice the pronunciation, like calm or palm. Balm, a verb. Balmy, an adjective. Okay, so a balm is something that relaxes you. It's a type of oil that comes from trees or from bees or from nature that you use to treat injuries. You use it to reduce pain. So, for example, lip balm. You know when your lips get really cracked? Well, you put lip balm on your lips to balm the effects, to soothe, to reduce the pain of something. Okay, so music is a balm for the savage soul. Okay, to mitigate, to make less intense. Yeah. Okay, so a balm, it's a soothing oil or a soothing lotion. Yeah. Lemon balm, for example, is a plant. Melissa. Okay, so a balm is something that makes things more pleasant. And then balmy, pleasant, warm. We normally have the collocation balmy weather. Yeah. Okay, a balmy summer evening. It's warm, it's pleasant, you can sit out, you're not at all cold. Okay, a balmy atmosphere, a relaxing atmosphere, but particularly used with the weather. Now, let's see. Balmy, notice, don't confuse it with balmy, B-A-R-M-Y, sounds exactly the same, meaning crazy. That's a balmy idea. Yeah, it's very different. Okay, so balmy, relaxing, warm, comfortable, something that makes you feel good, mild and gentle. And then a balm is some sort of ointment or oil to relieve pain. You put on a wound or something like that. Yeah, I love the balmy sound of his voice. It's relaxing, because this idea of to balm is to relax. Okay, let's look at the origin, because the origin's quite good. Let's see, this is related directly to the word a balsam. Maybe you've seen balsamic vinegar. Yeah, and that comes from Latin balsamum. Yeah, or from Greek balsamon. Okay, which is talking about the sap, the liquid that comes from a balsam tree. And this, it smells nice, it smells beautiful. Yeah, and let's see, this word balsam, this comes from, for example, Arabic, balsam. Yeah, a spice or a perfume, or in Hebrew, basam, a spice or a perfume. And a balsam, it's a sweet-smelling perfume, yeah, that you would put on a wound or to soothe pains. And this is where this word balm comes from. It's effectively, I think, a shortening of balsam. Okay, so something that balms you, relaxes you, makes you feel better. In the balm of the evening sun, I sat reading my book. Yeah, a sweet smelling oil, but yeah, something soothing, something relaxing. So yeah, classical music can be a balm for your sorrows, for the things that make you unhappy. Yeah, and then balmy is more warm, comfortable, mild, pleasant. Yeah. Going back to this balmy with an R, I think the Americans often spell this balmy crazy with an L as well. So Be careful with that one. Okay, so balm, balmy. Formality. This sounds rather literary. I think to balm, I'm going to give a 6.5 in formality. I think informally, to relax, to soothe, or an ointment or something like that informally. I think to balm, use it semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Balmy weather as an adjective, it sounds a bit literary. I think 6.5 again. Maybe 6, because I think you could probably say it's a balmy evening informally. So there you go. Balm, an ointment, balmy, relaxing, warm, comfortable. To balm, to soothe, to make something less painful. Yeah. The balm of being in the company of good friends. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Balm, balmy.